Most people are not working on this. You know, want to know why sales is so hard? Why it's not easy? It's because of the little voice. That's it. Because you get up every day and you're going to face rejection. You're going to face a no. You're going to face people that aren't going to connect with you. Is that making sense? But how many of you agree? Most people are not working on this. Most people are not working on who you need to. We're working on what we need to. This is called skills development. Are skills important? Yes, skills are important. The more skilled you are. Okay, but this is what I've learned. They are very stupid, highly skilled people. Okay, they can tell you how to do anything, but they can't do it. Why? Because when you embark on doing what you need to do, guess what's coming? Heat and pressure. And that heat and pressure with human beings comes in the form of emotion. And that's what most people are not overcoming. They're not working on this. You see, what happens is we go to the do. We need to do research, we need to do this, we need to do that. Great! And then when you've done all the research and you have a list of 40 people that you have to go knock on the door, what's going to come up? And you're going to take a step and then, oh, maybe I need to readjust my research. And you're going to research for another month.
Yeah.
And guess what happens?
New security guard.
What? 100%. And the reality is you've been sitting in the office, you don't need another old security guard. You get it? So people don't want to do that. I bring on a new sales rep into my business. Guess what they do for the first 2 weeks?
What?
Any guesses? Take a guess. What's it? What's it that most salespeople don't want to do?
So. Phone. Cold call.
Yes!
Oh gosh.
Okay, no, because guess what great salespeople know how to do?
Voila.
They know how to knock on doors. Most salespeople don't want to do that. I had a client of mine the other day, they told me one of their sales people said, I didn't come here to pound the streets. Well, you're not making any friggin' money, you better go pound something. You better. But salespeople don't want to do that. Well, how do you think they're going to miraculously arrive? What, because you got a nice Facebook campaign? LinkedIn? Guess what? You connect with someone on LinkedIn, you still have to connect with them at some stage. And unless you are an internet-driven business where people buy online, okay, you're not going to make sales. And guess what? The bigger the deal you want to make, the closer to the people you have to be. Okay, it's called B2B. B2B stands for? Okay, not business to business, belly to belly, person to person. It is. I'm still to find people that have closed R1 million deals without meeting the person in. How many of you drop R1 million without meeting the person you're going to drop R1 million with? You want to sit across the table and see who you're dealing with. But most people are stuck in their offices. Michaela and I have just closed a deal with a brand new client. They got hold of us. They phoned us. They said, we shortlisted you to come and help us in our business. We've done some research on you. We like what we see. And we shortlisted you out of 4 people. And they said to Michaela, when can we hook up a Zoom call? Michaela came to me and said, they want to connect. I said, great. When are they open for me to come visit them? They said, no, you don't have to do that. We're in Pretoria. You guys are in Edenvale. Michaela said, no. Barry prefers to operate. He'd like to come sit in your boardroom and meet you guys. We drove to Pretoria. So what? We drove to Pretoria.